today we're going to be taking a look at this Numatic Henry prokit. This is specifically designed for Henry and Friends, all vacuum cleaners with a 32mm diameter fitting. This I won via the My Henry Facebook page. They've also got an Instagram page as well, and I'll try and leave links to those in the description. Now, let's take a look at what the box includes. So the first thing you see when you open your box is the 1 year extra free extended warranty on your Henry or Hetty, and then some instructions for cleaning the various nozzles that you get in this toolkit, and then some information about the nozzles as well. So first out of the box we have the Aerobrush 140, which is a new addition to the Numatic line of nozzles. It is a smaller handheld turbo nozzle with a rotating brush, which is ideal for pet bedding, stairs and upholstery. Next we have the hard floor tool with the parking bracket integrated onto the back. Here it is. Let's just take this part off. That's it. Take that off. Here's the hard floor tool. It has ridges in the front to pick up larger debris, and nice soft brushes with rubber coated wheels so that it don't mark your hard floors when you're cleaning them. Last but not least, we have the Aerobrush. Now normally you would get a newer designed Aerobrush, however I've got the older design of Aerobrush, which is still a good nozzle, but I was hoping to get the newer design Aerobrush, to give it a test and see what it performs like compared to the older brush. And it all comes in this nice neat box which you can keep everything in. It's not a cheap box, it's quite a nice sturdy box, so you know you can put everything back in there and keep it nice. So here are the nozzles. They're all very nice, well made tools. Unfortunately the brushes are quite soft on these, so you know you're not going to expect great agitation from them. So let's just show you these in action and I'll tell you what I think of them. Here we have the large Aerobrush that has the brushes underneath which rotate. This helps to clean away pet hair and also deep clean carpets. As you can see here, it cleans pet hair really well. It spins really fast, even on a 620 watt Henry 160. So imagine what it's like on a 1200 watt Henry. So it does do a good job, as you can see. It also leaves some track marks in the carpet. The only downside with turbo brushes is that the brush roll gets covered in hair and threads. This is easily cleaned out by using a knife or a pair of scissors. You can see, just slice the hair and then you just pull it off with your hands and put it in the bin. If you don't do this, this will affect the performance of the vacuum and possibly wear the head out as well, may void your warranty. So it's best to keep on top of maintenance when you've got moving parts like this. Here is the smaller Aerobrush 140. It works on the same kind of concept as the larger Aerobrush. With this surface that I'm cleaning, it doesn't really do a good job, mainly because the material does cling onto the pet hair really well, and even by taking the end off, that as I'll do in a minute, it still doesn't pick up nothing. And if you look closely, it also, you can see the hairs have kind of woven themselves into the fibres of the material, but overall the head is pretty good. For the other side of the dog bed, and it does leave some nice track lines in that in the material, as you can see. The Aerobrush 140 is also ideal for cleaning stairs. As you can see here, it does a very good job. It's very agile due to the swivelling neck, and it cleans all the fluff off the stairs. Here is the hard floor tool. As you can see, it is very slim. It's got 2 rows of soft bristles and 2 rubber coated wheels so it don't mark your floor. As you can see, it cleans up the oats very well due to the slits in the front brushes, and this helps the larger particles to enter the air path of the vacuum cleaner and stop it snow ploughing. So, what do I think of the Numatic Henry Pro Kit? I think it's a great addition to your Henry or Hetty vacuum cleaner, especially if you have pets or you just want to deep clean your carpets, and also if you're thinking of buying just the Aerobrush and hard floor tool, you might as well buy the Pro Kit for £60, because I think the Aerobrush is about £30 and the hard floor tool is about £20 or £15, so that's about £45, plus they don't sell this tool on their own, I don't think, on the My Henry website. And also you're getting a 1-year extra warranty if you get it for your newer Henry. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like if you found this useful. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.